Hello, my name is Rose Albert, and I'm the president of Green Initiative at UAB. Green Initiative is the undergraduate sustainability organization, and our goal is to provide students with the community and tools they need to make change for the environment.
Thanks, Rose. Hi everyone, my name is Ashton Landers and I'm the Vice President of Green Initiative. Now, one of the ways we promote environmentalism on campus is through weekly meetings held every Monday evening. We've also held some really great special events. A few of my favorites prior to COVID-19, of course, include the waste audit, the menu workshop, and Blazer Thrift. This past year, we've been having some wonderful virtual meetings where we often host local guest speakers.
Thanks. Hi, I'm Riley Yeager, and I am the Green Initiative's blog coordinator. I am also one of UAB's sustainability ambassadors. The Green Initiative works hand in hand with these ambassadors, as well as UAB sustainability organizations such as the Advocates for Ethical Consumption and Treatment and the UAB's Green Thumb. The Green Initiative also works hand in hand with organizations outside of UAB, such as the Black Warrior Riverkeepers and the Greater Birmingham Alliance to Stop Pollution.
Thanks, Riley. If you'd like to get involved with our organization, you can find us on Engage. This has all of our upcoming events, as well as our website and social media like Facebook and Instagram. You can also email us to be added to our weekly newsletter or our GroupMe. Thanks for watching.